Thank you for visiting my visual tour today. If you have questions or would like to schedule an appointment to personally tour property on Lake Wedowee, call Terry Norton at 404-317-5120. We work hard for our clients. This unrestricted 44.89+ / acres already has a well, septic system, storage, power pole and cement pad in place for a camper / RV or manufactured home. Acreage has a gated entrance with pasture, mixed timber and a small creek on backside of property. Great location near Lake Wedowee and Foster's Bridge boat ramp. Property can be subdivided if needed.